Okay, guys, the movie you've been waiting for. As you can see, since my hair transplant, I got curly hair because it came from the back. But let's talk about money, guys. I'm going to come transparent. I'm going to show A, B, C. How am I making the money? What am I doing for it? How can you make the money also? We are earning together. I'm going to show you some things and then I'm going to go and explain you even more. Let's first start with the commission, guys. Let me share my screen. And then we're going to make it happen. Wait, let me do this one correct. So, I love that one, man. Okay, let's do this, guys. Show my screen. You can see here that the total number of transactions is 26. And you can see the total amount of transactions is $278. This is from using my partner code. As you know, when you sign up, I'm asking, please use my partner code, ONDG. And please, yeah, just do it. You will not feel a thing from it, but RoboForex will give me some percentage of the fees, you know, like this tiny amount. So this, and they're going to give that to the fees. So as you can see, I've been working with RoboForex 14 days. 14 days, guys. I've got a team of over 100 direct. I've got 50,000 something following me. And of course, also I got 200 people total in the team, but not direct. You can see here that I've earned $278 for 2 weeks of promoting, and it's going to become more because I'm earning when my team is earning. And the fun and professional traders we got are definitely making the magic happen. We also have affiliate payout details. You can see it here, and I'm going to guide you through safely, guys. You can see that David, WallstreetInvest, has given me back $231. SARUJA has given me $91.50. And New Genius has given me 14. Let me just show you guys what I mean and how you can get it also. If we go here, then you see that this is David. This is WallstreetInvest. He is taking 30% of commission every Saturday. So that means that when you make $100, he's going to take $30 of it and says, well, 30% is the trader because he's doing the work. But that's not all, guys. David is giving back 50% of that 30%. How can you calculate that? Well, it's really simple. David is taking the 30, but 50% he's giving back to the persons that are attracting new traders. So how can you see that? Well, it's really simple. If you are making, if you are joining through my link and you are joining with David, and of course I have this link spread out many places, then I am getting like a 15% of what you are earning. Yeah, because David is sharing the 15%, 15 goes to him, 15 goes to me. How can you calculate that, guys? Well, this is SARUJA. Okay, wait 1 second. This is David. Let me show you guys how that works. Yeah. You can see here $231 earned from David. You can see that this investor has earned commission from investor. This is David, commission from investor, and partner commission is me. Here you can see David is taking $1.70 commission. You can see that I'm getting a 0.84 of it. Let's go to this one. David is taking an 11-cent commission, means somebody earned money, but David is giving me my 50% of that commission because I have brought the person, so I am getting 5 cents. Let's go to this one where this person has earned $2 and David has earned $2.44 from this person. He is giving me $1.02 USD. Let's go to this one. Because the person is earning and David is just taking 30%, you must calculate it like this. Real simple. This is like 30% of what the person has earned. So the person has earned this times a little bit over 3. So the person has earned like $50 and David is going to get like $16.42 of it. Because I have brought the person to David, I am going to get 8.21 of it. You can see the same here. Somebody earning, David earning 11.86, 5.93 is coming to me. How to calculate that, guys? Well, it's really simple. Oh, that's David. It's really simple. You see it here. David takes 30% of the profit. He does that every Saturday. And because we attract new investors, we're going to get that affiliate commission. Okay, I've shown you guys David. This one is SARUJA. SARUJA given me 91%. If we see SARUJA, he is taking 35% of the profit. He is a little bit a higher earner, so it compensates. That's what I'm saying. And you can see it here that he's taking 35% of the commission. He pays out on a Saturday. And affiliate commission for inviting other people, I am getting 15%. Let's show you guys how that works so you guys have an understanding how you can also earn money. Because not everybody has big bank accounts to just push it in. And some people have friends who have. So if like I'm saying, I am showing people how I make money. I show where I come from, how I'm doing it, and how you can do it also. You do not need to do it, but if you wish to do it, you can. This is my system in life, you know? Just educate. Okay, let's go to SARUJA. This was SARUJA, this was Street. Okay, let's go to SARUJA. You can see affiliate commission conditions is 15%. How to calculate that? Well, you can see it here. Like my friend, he has made, now SARUJA is taking 35% of commission. So that means my friend earned like $280. SARUJA is taking $91.66. But because I have sent a trader there and the trader has made money, I am getting my percentage of 13.75 USD. The same with this one. SARUJA is taking 35%. So do this 1 times 3, meaning that my friend has earned $450. SARUJA is taking $145 of it. And because I've brought him a new trader, $145 is for SARUJA. And I take a 23.11 US dollars commission for inviting a trader to follow SARUJA. Same here. SARUJA is earning $40 of this person. He's giving me 15%, and which makes a crazy $6.04 for me. You guys know I'm just promoting SARUJA since a week now. So it's beginning and I'm promoting him. Yeah, I love it. And of course, now also this explains the trader commission. As you can see, SARUJA, this is my link. I made an affiliate commission of 15% by bringing him traders. He shares his profit share. We are not earning on the deposits of our people. This is not a Ponzi. This is trading fees. This is profit share. If my people make money, I make money. I am searching for very good traders because I want stability. I want growth. I want to make sure that my people are earning because you are earning, I am earning. I am also invested with the same traders. So, and of course, we have like the Dutch gold trader as an example. You can see he's taking 25% of the profit, which means that he is making sure that he's not, he's taking less than the rest. He's also giving a 50% commission rate, which means that I am going to get 12.5% if I attract new traders. Let's just see his stats. It's my buddy. He's not trading for a long time on the side, but you can see like he did trading for like 4 days and he got a yield of 80%. Let me also share a little bit my Telegram group as I have made that. Share new screen, ROBOFOREX tutorial. You can see here I've made a Telegram group. I show you guys what to do. I show you guys what I've got. I show you guys how to set up, and please use my affiliate code. I make full tutorials how to open an account, get your KIC in order, and of course, activating your welcome bonus of $30. How to verify your Visa card, how to be earning, how to unlock your own partner code. Like mine is ondj, my wife is PMOS. How to unlock your own code, because if you want to be making commission, I'm gonna show you how. And of course, this is not mandatory. And what do I show more? Mentor, how to subscribe to David. He has 1200% in 5 months. And as you can see, he also has down days. You can see it here, but he is human. And in the 6 months, he is moving up, man. Okay. RoboForex Mentor, subscribing to SARUJA, 900% in 1 month. And as I told you guys, I'm doing SARUJA also. I show you how to attract new investors, how to set up their own link, how to explain the commissions, and also my buddy, the Dutch gold trader. I show you some trades my wife is doing, as you can see here, like 50%. Here on the daily total, 13%. And check these stats, guys. My wife is doing amazing. The profit total, 433%. Profit total, 684%. Profit total, 20. Oh, wait, this is my gold trader account. Yeah, you can see it. We're going crazy, guys. But thanks very much. Yeah, this is like the commissions coming in. I'm now gonna go and upload this video. So if you want to know how to make money from RoboForex and you don't got a big pocket, I'm gonna teach you how to build a team, get out there, get yourself out there, and make sure that you spread. Why? Because we do not want to take a risk, of course. Thank you. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. Please comment down below my video. See if this has helped you. Follow my traders if you want, and let's keep making money. Let's keep making money together, guys. This is PTC Pet from the Netherlands, fully transparent as always. No hiding, no secrets, just showing how it is. Stay safe out there, guys. And don't forget to like and subscribe.